Having trouble connecting your monitors to your ThinkPad docking station? You're not alone. Many users experience this issue, but it's often solvable with a systematic approach. Start by checking the basics. Ensure your HDMI or DisplayPort cables are undamaged and certified. HDMI 2.1 is recommended for 4K at 120 Hz. Clean the ports on both the dock and your ThinkPad to remove any dust or oxidation. A faulty connection is a very common cause. Next, power cycle everything. Turn off the ThinkPad, unplug the dock from power, wait 30 seconds, and then plug it back in and power on the ThinkPad. This simple step can resolve many temporary glitches. If problems persist, move on to driver and software troubleshooting. If basic checks don't resolve the issue, driver conflicts are often the cause. Lenovo's DisplayLink or Intel graphics drivers may interfere with monitor connections. Ensure Extend these displays is enabled in Windows Display settings to properly connect multiple monitors through the dock. Verify the docking station receives adequate power. Some models require a 130-watt adapter to support full functionality and prevent connection failures. Update your ThinkPad's BIOS through Lenovo Vantage to resolve compatibility issues with docking stations and monitors. Use Lenovo Vantage version 8.5 or higher, which includes an AI-driven diagnostic tool to automatically detect and fix monitor connection issues with app-based patches. For advanced troubleshooting, check Windows Event Viewer logs under System for error codes related to display drivers that may indicate specific issues. As a last resort, test with a different monitor or cable to isolate whether the issue lies with the dock, cable, or monitor hardware.